The Material World 37. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the achievements of a celebrity. It described their achievements as their legacy, which they will leave behind for people to benefit from years after they have departed from this world. First of all, it is important to understand worldly legacies come and go. How many rich and powerful people have built massive empires, only for them to be torn apart and forgotten shortly after their death? The few signs left behind from some of these legacies only endure in order to warn people not to follow in their footsteps. An example is the great empire of Pharaoh. Islam not only teaches Muslims to send blessings ahead of them to the hereafter in the form of righteous deeds, but it also teaches them to leave a lovely legacy behind from which people can benefit from. In fact, when a Muslim passes away and leaves behind anything which is useful, such as an ongoing charity, they will be rewarded for it. This is confirmed in narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 4223. So a Muslim should strive to perform righteous deeds and send forward as much good as possible, but they should also try leaving a good legacy behind which will benefit them after they pass away. Unfortunately, many Muslims are so concerned about their wealth and properties that they only end up leaving them behind, which does not benefit them in the least. Each Muslim should not be fooled into believing they have plenty of time for creating a legacy for themselves, as the moment of death is unknown and often pounces on people unexpectedly. Today is the day a Muslim should truly reflect on the legacy they will leave behind. If this legacy is good and beneficial, they should praise Allah, the Exalted, for granting them the strength to do so. But if it is something which will not benefit them, then they should prepare something which will, so that they not only send forward good to the hereafter, but also leave good behind. It is hoped that the one who is surrounded by good in this way will be forgiven by Allah, the Exalted. So each Muslim should ask themselves what is their legacy. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.